Welcome back. Now, last time we talked about methods. This is a method right here, it's what we used, and parameters, and we passed data in to the method. Today I want to look at functions and return types. The difference between a method and a function is a function will return data back to the program. It will take a variable from here and pass it back to the main program. So, how to do that? How can it generate its own variables? Answer, we'll find out. So, you are doing a job for a store called Bob's Lumber. Where to buy your lumber? West of the Mississippi. Oh yeah! So, Bob has said to you, I've got a problem. I need a piece of code which will calculate the price of the lumber I sell someone. So I charge by square feet. So say a person comes to me and buys 7 by 10 square feet. I need a program that will work it out for me. And you think, oh, I could do that easily because I know about functions and methods. So you sit down and say def, and so you're going to call your little method here calc. Def calc. Think what I need 2 variables in here. I need length as one parameter, and then a comma to separate the parameters, and I need width. Okay, we're there. Put a colon, beautiful, we're there. And then you say print out, you want to display length times width. There we are. You think perfect, it's all done. So that is all the logic in your program. So put a label there, logic, that's all the calculations you need to do. But then down here, you now need to make an interface. The interface is the thing the humans use and try to talk to and communicate with. So you say the interface, let's say L equals input. What is the length? And bizarre, never mind. I don't know why I did that, but we'll see we cover. And W equals input. What is the width? So there we are, length and width. You can calculate those quite easily now. Now we just call calc, and as parameters we put L and W. Think that'll work? I doubt it. Why do you think I doubt it? Well, those are numbers. These will do the calculations of the numbers. And this program here, what are these values here? These are text strings, and it doesn't like them. How do we convert them? Well, we need to cast them, don't we? So these lengths and widths, they could be decimal, so let's call them a float. Not a floor, a float. There we are, that looks pretty cool to me. Float, length and float width. There we are, perfect. So now, if you run it, what's the length? And you say, well, it's 4.5. And what's the width? You say it's 3.5. It will tell us, yeah, you've bought 15.75 meters squared of lumber. And you think, well, hey, I've done it, I'm the best. And you go and see Bob. And Bob says, well, that's nice, but I need to multiply this by the total cost of the lumber, and I then need to add that and do things with it. So I really need this value to come back so my programs can use it again. And you think, okay, well I could make a variable here and access it here. I mean, no, local variable won't work. What do I do? And then you see what I'm going to show you. You think, I want to send the data back to here. I just type in return, and data will come back to here. So now, if I print out calc, float, and float W, if I print this off, then hopefully exactly the same will happen. But the data will come back into here. So 4 is 16. So now you can say, okay, you've shown me a cool new way to move data, but what's the benefit of that? And the biggest benefit is actually quite a nice one. The biggest benefit here is that you can now alter and change these values whenever you want to. So say I want to multiply that by the price. Say it costs $3.75 for lumber. I can put 375 in there, multiply by 375, and suddenly we can alter and change the value. 15.4, 2.4, and suddenly it says 138.6. And you think, 1 minute, Bob wants this value to be 3, doesn't he? Let's put this in dollars. It's America, so it's got to be in dollars. No, that's a hashtag. There's a dollar. There we are, and then you put there. So then suddenly you can have all the logic in a function reusable, same thing over and over again, but you can now change what the function produces by playing with these values. So there we are, $15 for 4 meters square of lumber. So this is how you return information from a function, from a method, to your interface. See? It's very simple and very important we get the hang of this, because we're going to use it a lot in the next few lessons. But that's all for today, so thank you for watching and see you in the next class.